How to fix delete app not showing in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly press and hold on any app and then click on remove app. Now here you can see delete app option is not available right now, and if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on screen time, and then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now here you can see the option iTunes and App Store purchases. Now click on it and then click on deleting apps. If you select don't allow, then you cannot delete your apps, and if you select allow, then go back to your home screen and refresh your device. Now press and hold on any app and then click on remove app. Now here you can see delete app option is available now. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.